This is the Laofas Softbox. Let's open the package. It is very easy. You see here? You just bend every pole. That's it. Well, don't need it. Open it, and you'll see these buttons. You lift it up and push the button, or lose it. It drops. Lift it up, button. The shape is perfect, and it is lightweight. Now let's put it onto the light. So this is the light. Now I'm going to put it on. This is bowline mount and the perfect matching basically all the lights. Let me turn it over. Now you can see what's inside, and I'm gonna change the angle. You can see it's clear. Actually, it's pretty big, and for filming you want it to be as big as possible if you got bigger room. So for my small studio, I think this is the biggest size I can handle. And now I'm gonna put on all the accessories. First one is this inner reflector. You see the quality is no problem. It's very sturdy. Sounds like paper, but it's actually the fabric. It comes with the little buttons. You can put them on. Now I'm going to put the lights on. It's like this. And the next step, we put this on. I'm going to turn on the lights to see. All right. And they got another accessory. This is great. So if you want to control the lights even more, so contain the light, you're gonna need this. Let's put this one on. In my opinion, this softbox made of good quality material, and it's very easy to install, and it's portable. They come with the bag. You can easily fold it, put it into the bag, and go to work, and set it up like within 1 or 2 minutes. And yeah, so I'm happy with this product. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.